dire adjustments together come second half, especially in the crunch time of this game?
Well, honestly, I think we all knew from our side that Justin was struggling a little bit more with his hand today than he was in the last game. And so I think everybody had to learn how to step up. And even though Justin made some big shots down the stretch, it was really the inspiration of Scotty that really turned the tide for us. We did not play a good first half. We were playing the first half in like second gear, and they were playing in fourth gear. And we knew at halftime we'd have to step it up and play at a higher gear to have a chance. And really, there's just so much that Scotty does. I'd say this even if you're in fourth gear, Scotty. I mean, I'd still say this. But there's just so much that Scotty does that doesn't show up on the scorecard, or the points, the rebounds. He gets those stuff, but his impact is so much greater than that. And you can see that, I think, more today than just about any time, that he just inspired the whole team. That Kalauit rebound he had was amazing. When a time when we weren't getting the rebounds. And the shots down the stretch, getting the ball to the right people, was a brilliant, brilliant game by Scotty, especially the second half.
Coach, you mentioned inspiration. Another source of inspiration was L.A. Tenorio. You yielded him in. Can you talk us through the decision to give him minutes tonight?
Well, I just felt that we weren't executing as well as we could, and that's one thing that LA is just really, really smart with, is execution. He knows how to get the team into execution and into spots, and knows who to get the ball to. And I just felt we were lacking at that point. And I just turned to him, I said, "You ready to go in?" He goes, "Yeah." I said, "Okay." And I felt we needed a break for Scotty at that point as well. So, LA's always ready. And he works so hard in practice every day. Even though he may not play, he's still working. And he's 40, 41 years old. He's still working super hard in practice every day.
Thank you, Coach. Scotty, now on to you. Dahil sa higpit ng depensa ng parehong pukulan, hindi naging ganun malinis yung execution. Pero bilang floor general, ano ba yung mga nakita mong advantages nyo o yung mga lapses ng TNT, lalo na nung dikit yung laban sa dito, that you were able to capitalize?
First of all, based on our just to inspire today's championship. We all know it's a grind game, possession by possession, and we just don't want to pick every single game. So thank God even had a really inspired some family was very important in the piece.
Scotty, being one win away from the title, ano ba sa tingin mo yung susi para makuha nila sa susunod na ito?
I think for us, we have to focus not on just one game, no past, no future for us. Just focus on game and close out series is the most hardest game. We always talk about that, but let's see what we can do next game. Bibigyan namin yung best namin.
Thank you, Scotty. At this point, we're opening the floor.
Happy congratulations.
Thank you.
Kasi yung pagpapasok mo kay Oka sa fourth quarter, basically parang na rin yung panawisip niya. Ito bang nabasa mo doon na nung pinabantay na siya para na-score mo siya pagpapasok?
It's just right play at the right time. I made shot on the stretch, but overall it's team execution. Those guys moving big side, I think yung kick na-open and wala siyang nangyay.
Kasi very consistent sa series na to. Bakit? Kaya?
Like I said, really inspired sa fans. Tagal na namin yung tinawag ng championship, so I just want to give my all this championship and whatever it takes.
8-6. Kaya.
Praying for them. Praying.
Could you elaborate on Justin's situation? You mentioned that his hands
Well, I think he was having a harder time gripping the ball today, and made some uncharacteristic turnovers when the ball was slipping out of his hands. It's like he was afraid to grab the ball hard, and that's just something he's managing as we go. And I think when you first get an injury, it hurts a lot, and then usually it takes a day or two. Then you really start to feel the injury after a day or two, and I think that's basically what's happened. Hopefully, give it a couple of days here. He can recover that a little bit and be a little stronger with that thumb. But I mean, he's playing magnificently despite that, and that's what's really amazing at this point. I mean, he's been such a warrior. We already talked about it, but again, I think the players saw that today, and I think that they felt that they really needed to step up for him. And I felt we did. I thought we did defensively. We stepped up, did a heck of a job on RSJ. We knew he was going to come back with a strong game. He started the game so well and so hard. But Jamie and Steven stuck in there and continued to defend. And I think that's where we really stepped up, was the effort and the defense, and then Scotty doing Scotty things that we all know about.
Also elaborate on your defense tape in the final minutes. What was with RSJ most of the time in the final moments?
Yeah, well, we were trying to stay home on their shooters, and I know that they were using him to try to create so that we'd come off and help, and then they'd be able to create shots for the shooters. But our guys played with great discipline, and again, Steven played it really well, just staying in front of him down the stretch.
Coach, with 2 days, do you think Justin's hand will at least be not as painful as the game tonight?
We can only hope at this point. I don't think there's any doubt he's going to need surgery when this series is over to help reattach some ligaments onto his thumb. But he's just going to manage his way through it at this point. Our trainers are working around the clock with him, keeping the swelling down, doing whatever therapy they can do for him, icing, whatever. But the bottom line is he's just going to have to go through some pain to try to get this championship.
When you see Justin, ano yung naging reaction niyo sa grupo niyo ng Malokas?
Siyempre, nalungkot, at the same time, lahat ng Malokas everyone should step up. So, last game, marami na step up and also not just offense, I think overall, yung defense namin step up. Yun yung series.
Pero parang kung hindi bang yung moral niyo yung mga power, stay focused na kayo.
Yung moral, syempre, bumaba sandali, but we stay positive. Kasi final sandali, hindi namin alam kung kami makakarating dito sa
That wraps it up. Thank you so much, Coach Steven Scott. See you on Wednesday.
Thank you guys.